In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a toll violation online. To get started, open your browser and go to the May Huli K platform. Once the website loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before continuing. This is the official platform where you can check and settle eligible violations online. When you're inside the platform, look at the top menu. There you'll find the option labeled Pay My Fine. Click that to begin the payment process. This section is where the site guides you through checking your records and moving toward payment. On the next page, you'll see the area for paying your violations through authorized channels. This is important because it confirms that your payment will go through the proper system. From here, select your preferred payment method. Choose the option that works best for you and make sure it's one you can complete without interruption. After selecting your payment method, click Proceed to Payment. The platform will then bring you to the page where you can search for your violation details. At this stage, you'll need to enter your plate number. Be careful when typing this in, since even a small mistake can affect the search results. Next, enter the MV file number. Just like with your plate number, double check the details before moving on. Accurate information is essential here because the system uses these records to find the correct violation linked to your vehicle. Once both fields are complete, click Check, Pay My Fine. Before the system continues, you'll be shown a section labeled Before You Proceed. Read this carefully. It usually contains reminders, requirements, or important limitations about the online process, so it's worth taking a few seconds to review everything properly. After reading the information, agree to the terms and conditions by selecting the required checkbox or confirmation option. Once that's done, click Check for Violations. The system will then search for any matching toll or traffic-related records connected to the details you entered. If there is a violation on file, it will appear on the results page. Review the information carefully to make sure everything matches your vehicle and the record you intend to settle. If the details look correct, you can then proceed to payment and follow the prompts on your chosen payment channel to complete the transaction. As a final tip, once your payment is successful, keep a copy of your receipt or confirmation page for your records. That way, if you ever need proof of payment later, you'll have it ready, and that's how to pay a toll violation online.